Imagine unlocking extraordinary features on your IPTV player you never knew existed. Stay with us to discover secret tricks to enhance your viewing pleasure immensely. Right off the bat, initialize your IPTV settings for customized user preferences. Many don't realize their IPTV player can access a plethora of global channels. Seamless streaming quality settings ensure smooth playback without interruptions or stutters. Did you know swift navigation exists? Stay relaxed without endless scrolling. Access hidden shortcuts that save time and improve your IPTV experience dramatically. Explore vibrant applications you never knew were part of your IPTV player. Boost interactivity with advanced features, enhancing every live event you watch. Enhance your playlist organization, making your favorite shows easily accessible. Keeping everything in one place is simple with integrated apps and tools. Before we conclude, notice how stress-free it feels with 2TV Store support. Unlock these features today. Revolutionize how you experience television with ease.